So how many of you know about Scratch programming? Just use the chat box and say yes, no. Use the chat box, okay? Please write in the chat box how many you know, okay? Good, Apurva, Ayan. Okay. So those who know about Scratch programming, okay, for them it will be very basic, okay, because they know about it. So this program is Scratch is divided into three programs. So first is Scratch Basic, okay, where I'm going to teach you about all the Scratch components, and then it will be Scratch Intermediate, okay, and then Scratch Advanced, okay. So we have divided this Scratch into three programs, okay. So first things, do I need to know anything before I start learning Scratch programming? So, my answer would be no, because the only things you need is a laptop or a desktop or good internet connections. So if you are in mobile or tablet, still you can do a Scratch programming, but it's good to have a laptop or desktop, okay? Fine. Next is, can someone tell me like what is Scratch programming? What is Scratch? Let me see how many participants are there. 20 plus. Okay. Anyone give a try? What is Scratch programming? I have just unmute you all. So you can, you can speak. You can unmute yourself and you can speak.
Sir, Scratch is a programming in which we can make our stories, games, and animations.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Fine. Please mute yourself. Okay. Thank you. So Scratch programming is a language where we can create our own interactive stories, games, animations. Okay. So it's a very easy way to learn program. Okay. There are a lot of blocks which you are going to use it and make a program. Okay. Guys, do you know what is program? किसी को मालूम है प्रोग्राम क्या बोलते हैं? प्रोग्राम किसको बोलते हैं? प्रोग्राम. I'm going to unmute again. What is program?
Sir, I can tell.
Yes, yes, go ahead, go
Sir,
ahead, go
can
ahead.
I?
Program.
Sir,
Try karo. What is program? Others, please mute yourself. Apurva, mute yourself, okay? Yeah. Yeah, Guni, give it a try. Program किसको बोलते हैं? What is program? Okay. Apurva, you want to try? Unmute yourself.
So 1 by 1 beta.
Sorry. Okay. So program is, something we are going to instruct to a device. Okay. The set of instructions. Okay. The set of instructions is known as program. Okay. Which we are, going to give a computer, your computer doesn't understand anything. So the set of instructions which we are going to give you the computer or any electronical device, okay, that is called program. Okay. So we are going to write, some set of instructions to do some kind of task. Okay. So the program will take the input, the set of instruction, and it will process it and gives us the output. Okay. That is called program. All clear? So next thing is why we should need to learn Scratch programming. Okay. So first thing is, this is the right age to start learning the program. Okay. Because you can see this era is going towards the artificial intelligence. Okay. So this is the right time to start doing the coding. Okay. The coding will help you in a lot of things. Okay. It will help you on your communication, creativity, maths, writing, and confidence. Okay. Good. So the first things, is how to create and scratch account. Okay. I think you might have, okay, few of you have, because you have told me like you already know about Scratch. So I'm going to show you how you can create your Scratch account. Fine. Open Google. सबको मालूम है Google कैसे open करते हैं? Okay. And right here, SCRATCH, Scratch space MIT. Okay. And you can see this. All of you can see my screen. Say yes. All of you can see my screen. Okay, good. Click on this link, Scratch MIT EDU. Okay, इस लिंक को क्लिक करो. Fine. Hope you guys are doing along with me. आप लोग मेरे साथ कर रहे हो, ठीक है? And then you go to this link. Click here, join Scratch. Okay, either you can do a join Scratch. Okay, fine. For today's class, as this is a demo class, you don't need to click on this. Okay, if you click on this, you can create your own account. Okay, today we are going to click on this create. हम अकाउंट बाद में क्रिएट करेंगे, जब हम एक्चुअल क्लास शुरू करेंगे तब हम अपना अकाउंट क्रिएट करेंगे, ठीक है? फॉर टुडे यू कैन क्लिक ऑन क्रिएट. ओके, सो क्लिक ऑन क्रिएट. And then close this session. I've closed it. Okay, fine. So this is the page you get. Okay, you can see this cat, small cat. Everyone can see on my screen the cat. Yes, on my screen. Aryan, Apuva, those who are in video, can you? Okay, very good. So this cat is known as Sprite. What is known? Sprite. 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 Okay, fine. And this space is known as your code area. We'll speak more about, when we start the actual class, I will go further, deep and drill down it. Okay, and I will explain you in, in a detailed manner. Okay, these all things are known as blocks. Okay, blocks. ये जो दिख रहा है ना सब blocks है. Okay, there are different types of blocks. We'll talk about it. Okay, and this is your output area, stage area. Okay, this all place the output. Okay, see how easy it is to write this program. Okay, I'm going to drag this one. ये move को मैं drag करके यहाँ ले आया. Okay, and then I say turn 15 degree. 15 degree turn हो जाएगा. 15 degree. ठीक है? You can make it a 90 degree. Click on it, change it to 90 degree. Okay, and then I'm going to event I click on when click, just drag करके यहाँ पे ला के रख दो. Okay. And then there is a flag you can see here. This is a green flag. This is used to run your program. And this is used to when your program is in loop, मतलब चल रहा है, उसको रोकना है, तो इसको we will use this stop, red one. Okay. Now you can see. If I need to run the program, I will click on the green flag. So see, your cat is moving. So this is set of instructions. मैंने क्या बोला उसको? Move 10 step. So it moves to 10 step and then turn to 90 degree. Okay. So this is a program. It moves to 10 steps and turn to 90 degree. Don't you think it's easy? Okay. Anyone who is doing along with me? Can you raise your hand? Sure. Sure, Aman. Okay. So these all are known as blocks. Okay. These are blocks. So this blocks is used to move a cat to 10 steps. See, if I click on it, it's moving 10 step. Okay. And this block is used to move the cat, the sprite, a 90 degree. Okay. Fine. I will merge it, this all set of instructions. And then I dragged a when clicked. Okay. Place it here. And when I click on it, see, it's moving. Okay. I would like to add some few more instructions here. Okay. I'm going to this code and I bring down play sound. Okay. You know, play sound. So when I play this one, I can hear it says meow. Okay. Because I have selected a meow. You can record your own sound also. Okay. You can make your own sprite also. That is something which we'll talk when we are starting the actual class. Okay. So this is the set of instructions. Okay. Now, you want to see few projects? Okay. I made a hexagon. Do you know what is hexagon? किसी को मालूम हेक्सागन क्या होता है? What is a square?
They square, hexagon, both are shapes.
Very good. Both are shapes. Hexagon. Mute yourself. Okay. Okay. Avinash says, sir, I cannot listen cat. Okay. Avinash, check your mic.
Yes, sir.
चेक योर माइक चेक करो अविनाश. तुम लैपटॉप पे हो कि डेस्कटॉप पे हो कि मोबाइल पे हो?
सर मोबाइल पे.
मोबाइल पे आपको अपना डिवाइस को उसके सेटिंग्स चेंज करने पड़ेंगे. अगर आपको साउंड सुनना है तो आप उसी मोबाइल से भी कनेक्टेड हो. ठीक है.
Yes,
इफ
sir.
यू आर, तो इसलिए आपको साउंड नहीं आ रही है. एनीवन एल्स इज फेसिंग एनी चैलेंजेस?
No, sir.
एवरीवन कैन हियर द साउंड?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, when you will teach to make platformer games?
Hold on. Okay.
Yes.
So this is a small hexagon I made. A small hexagon.
Yeah.
Okay. See how quickly it make a small hexagon. So these are the set of instructions. Okay. I've written a small program with these blocks and I made a hexagon. Okay. Similarly, I will show you few more games which I made recently. Okay. This you can see. Okay. With my help of my keyboard, you know, I can play this game. So goal. Okay. Now I will try to save the goal. Oh, goal. So this is one game. Okay. There's also set of instructions. So now I have to stop this program. I will move to some other program. So this all comes as a part of basic programming. Okay. Fine. I made a space one. This one game. So I have to save myself. I have to save myself from this. These are the aliens. Okay. This was one programs. So there are a lot and a lot of programs, you know, which my student and me myself have developed. Okay. This is one. So with the help of keyboard, you have to save yourself from the ball and you have to take this ice cream. Okay. So you can see here this ice cream. Okay. Ice cream will give me the life. So this is also a program. Okay. These are the set of instructions. It's very, very, very easy. Okay. Now, this is just to make a square. Okay. So how many of you are doing parallelly with me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Anyone have any questions so far?
No, sir.
Anyone, please ask me question. It's just an introduction class. So I would like, to hear from you.
Sir, can you see my some projects?
Not now, Purva. I know you know Scratch programming, so I would like to hear from others. Okay. We'll discuss with you, Purva, after the class. Come on, guys. Anyone have any questions, please? Any parents who have joined? Any parents have any question? I have unmute everyone, so you can unmute yourself and ask me the questions. It is more like interactive session, okay? So if you want, you can write the question on chat, and if you like to speak to me, I'm happy to answer. No questions? Okay. Fine. I just want to know how many of you are above 13 years? Could you please write in a chat box how many of you are above 13 years? Above 13. I have a different program for you guys. Okay, those who are okay. Fine. Those who are below 13, I would suggest to start with the Scratch programming. Okay. Those who are above 13, I will give you a demo right now. Okay. So because we got both. Okay. Okay. Karan, I would like to speak to you. Karan, मैंने unmute किया हुआ है Karan.
Yes, sir.
Hi, sir. This is Karan's mama here.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Actually, we don't have any idea what this program is. I have not learned or heard anything about this. So I just got a WhatsApp or a message from one of your member that
Okay.
there's a program going on. So we would like a child to join it. So I have just joined. So I just want to know what is the career opportunity if we go for this field, because see, I'm not from a computer background, I'm from an account background.
Okay.
So but my child is interested in computers and this programming and all. So he have some questions what he might not able to say, like what is the future, what we can do in future also if we go for this and all. So there are some
Okay.
curiosity, if you can help us with that.
Definitely. Why not? I'm there for that only. Okay. So, now the world is moving towards the artificial intelligence. Okay.
Correct.
Fine. And even, might have know about it. Now, Indian government is also, they have mandate like kids should start learning the coding from the age of 7 onwards. Okay. It's mandate in all the schools.
I'm sorry
Okay.
to interrupt you, but nowadays in television also we are seeing some coding programs, and they are saying like put your children for the coding and all, because I really don't have any idea. So I just want you to explain me that, like, so that my child will get into that.
Definitely. Why not? Okay. So first of all, um, coding, what coding will help to your child. Okay. How coding can help your child. First thing, it will develop your logical thinking. Okay. So, if your logical thinking, so when we do coding, so we have to make some kind of logic. Okay. How we made a square. Okay. How it works. So first of all, it develops your logical thinking. Okay. So this is the age of 7 to 8, why we should start to, means kids should develop this kind of thing. Second thing, slowly when they grown up, so there are different stage. I will show you one slides. Okay. So a kid should start in 7, and when he turn up at the age of 9, he will do some advanced Scratch programming. Then when he turn up to age 13, he to start doing the Python programming. And when he is, year 18 or 19, so it's the very good opportunity in the market for a data scientist, for a artificial intelligence guys. Okay. And it's a good pay master in, in the IT industry. So this is one thing, not in only the IT industry, in all the sectors now, IT is mandate. Okay. Even I have I'm teaching to professional also. So I have few doctors, those who are learning Python programming. Okay. To do some kind of data analytics analysis. Okay. So this is the right age to start build your career. And it also, maybe down the line, you can choose the other path, but your logical thinking and your self confidence, okay, interest, all these things, rather spending, time on mobile watching YouTube cartoons. Okay. You can make your own, games. Okay. Write your own programs. You can do a lot of kind of automations. Okay. So this is, I would say, like, this will help your kid to, think logically. Any other questions you have, Karan? You can unmute yourself. I would like to speak to Karan. Karan, how old are you? Karan, how old are you? I'm not able to hear you. Please unmute yourself.
Sir, 13.
13. Okay. And okay, you are in which board? CBSE or ICSE?
CBSE.
CBSE 13 means you will be in year 7 or 8?
Sir, 7th.
7. So you might have, in a class 7, they have introduced artificial intelligence. You know about it in CBSE?
Sir, they have just introduced about Scratch.
Yes. So why they have introduced Scratch? So this is the, answer about it, because they want, to career, they want to, all the kids should build the logical thinking. And also this era is for artificial intelligence. So that's the reason they introduced, CBSE has introduced Scratch in artificial intelligence in 7, 8, and 9, and Python programming in class 11, 12. Okay.
Oh, yes, okay.
So here in London, so I'm based on London. So here in London, a student who is a 6-year-old start, Scratch programming. And there are other programs also, not only Scratch. And parallelly, you have to, they do robotics also. Okay, so I teach robotics also. Okay, like if you have completed Scratch programming, then you move to Lego Vidu. If you completed your, intermediate Scratch programming, then you go for Microbit. So Microbit is something like this. This is Microbit. It's easily available in India. Okay, so this is kind of robotics. You make your own automations. Okay, आप program लिखो और इस पे आप करो, आप बहुत सारे robots बना सकते हो. These are a lot of robotics programs. Okay, which you might be knowing about Alexa. So you can
Yes,
write
sir.
your own Alexa programs. Okay, so I teach Alexa programming also. Okay, to kids. Okay, so Alexa, could you please switch off the light? Alexa, could you please switch off my TV? Okay, so a lot of, you can write your own programs also. Okay, so this is the stage where you start, learning programming. So in almost all board across the India now is, have a mandate to teach the kids programming. Okay.
दरवाजा बंद कर दो ना.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Anyone have any questions, please? Those who are below year 13, please ask me any question. Anyone have any questions?
Sir, I am 8 years old.
How many years? What's your age? Hello.
Sir, I am Apurva Raj. My age is 8.
Okay, Apurva. Good to know. Anyone else have any questions? Please unmute yourself and ask me the question. किसी को कोई भी doubt, कोई questions, any parents, any?
All are muted.
No questions? Okay, fine. So now I'm moving to someone who is above 13 years old. Okay, 13 or above 13. Okay, so for them there is a program called Python programming. Okay, so one more thing I would like to share. Yeah. Just give me 1 sec. Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah, Niharika, do you have any question? No? Okay, fine. So again, I'm going to start something called Python programming. Okay. So anyone who knows about Python, heard of Python? Anyone? who knows about Python programming?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay. Do you know what is Python? Python क्या है? कोई आइडिया? Python किसको बोलते हैं? Python क्या है? Unmuted everyone.
Sir, Python is also a programming.
Anyone else want to give a try? कोई और? What is Python? Come on guys, give a try. Python क्या है? Okay, when I heard of this, what is Python, the first thing came on my mind is this is a big reptile that I would like to see in either in jungle or zoo. Python सांप है, snake, okay? So the first thing came on my mind is Python is a big reptile, okay? Python, fine. So, but here I'm going to talk about Python, which is a programming language, okay? So, do I need to know anything before I start learning Python? I would say, yeah, very good, Samina. Python is a reptiles, yes. So I'm going to talk about here today is Python programming. Okay, Python is also a programming language. Okay. So something in Python, which is very much, mandate, like you should have a laptop or desktop. Okay. To do a program in a mobile or tab, it's quite difficult. Okay. So the prerequisite here is a good, internet connection. Okay, so you can attend the class, the session, and secondly, you should have a laptop or desktop. Okay, because we need to install Python. Okay, in Scratch programming, it was a web-based. Okay, आप चले गए Google में Scratch account खोल लिया, फिर वहाँ पे आप अपना program करने लगे. But here, you need to install the software in your local laptop or desktop. Okay, fine. And secondly, this course is designed for 14 weeks, but it may go beyond that. It depends upon you guys, like how quickly you're grasping the programming language. So my course is designed for 14 weeks, but sometime it goes to 16, 18, 20. Okay, fine. And also for the Scratch programming, that is designed for 14 weeks. Okay, but sometime it depends upon how quickly you grasp the concepts. Okay. Second thing, is very, very important thing is practice. Python, because you're grown up, you're 13 and above, so you need to practice a lot. Okay. And Python is a very, very, very strong programming language. Okay. And this is a highly paid in market. You can Google it, you can see how a Python programmer earn. Okay. It's $1 million. Okay. So here you will be given assignments, okay, which you need to submit before the next class. Okay. Scratch programmer will give you, because you are below 13, we won't give you so much pressure on you. So still you will have some kind of homework which you have to submit it before the class. Okay. And we are very much strict on this. So this is the other programming language we teach. Okay, we teach Lego V2, we teach Microbit. Okay, these all are robotics program. We teach Arduino. Okay, we teach Raspberry Pi. So I mentioned that age also, age groups. Okay, and if you are interested for any robotics program, you can connect with Anand sir. Okay. So how this word Python came, okay, is a scary word. Python नाम सुनते ही एक अलग सा लग जाता है ना मन में, सांप, snake, okay. So might be, Gordon Van Rossum, okay, he was the founder of Python. He might be very fond of, BBC uh, program was there whose name was Python. Okay, it's a comedy serial. So might be he has inspired of that serial and kept his programming language as Python. Okay, fine. Now coming to this slide. Okay, this is something about what is Python. So Python is a very high level programming language. When I word use high का मतलब क्या होता है? Okay, high level programming language. There are two kind of programming language: high level and low level. Okay, so high level में means क्या, हम general English like statements लिखते हैं, ठीक है, उसे हम बोलते हैं high level, ठीक है. Low level, guys, those who are 13 and below, you won't understand low level, क्योंकि हमारा कंप्यूटर जो है वो प्रोसेसर्स जो है उसके जो प्रोग्राम लिखते हैं उसे हम लो लेवल प्रोग्रामिंग बोलते हैं. जैसे 8085 प्रोसेसर हुआ, 8086 प्रोसेसर हुआ, तो उस प्रोसेसर प्रोग्रामिंग हम जो लिखते हैं उसको हम लो लेवल प्रोग्रामिंग बोलते हैं, ठीक है. पाइथन हम कहाँ, किस लिए हम यूज कर सकते हैं, कहाँ यूज कर सकते हैं? पाइथन इज नाउ यूज्ड अक्रॉस एवरीवेयर. ओके, फाइन. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम मेकिंग अ वेबसाइट, okay, making any kind of automation device, everywhere Python is used. आजकल पाइथन हर एक इंडस्ट्री में यूज हो रहा है. पाइथन जो भी अभी नए कार जो भी आ रहे हैं मार्केट में, मॉडल्स में जो भी कार आ रहे हैं उसमें पाइथन यूज होता है. टू नो हाउ ए ड्राइवर इज ड्राइविंग हिज कार, टू कैप्चर हिज ड्राइविंग पैटर्न. ओके, कार में एक चिप इंस्टॉल्ड है, उस पे तुम्हारा ड्राइविंग पैटर्न वो सारे करता है. पाइथन नासा में यूज होता है, रॉकेट शिप में यूज होता है, स्पेसक्राफ्ट में यूज होता है. पाइथन इज यूज्ड अक्रॉस एवरीवेयर. ओके, nowadays Python is used in आपके घर पे जो एसी लगा रहा था very good. Eight world-class company. Okay, and is an expressive language. Okay, it means you are more capable to write a code, expressing the code. English like structure use hota hai. There's something called interpreted language. Okay, I will. Yes, Amina, Instagram, Facebook पे कहाँ यूज होता है? आपको फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट आते हैं, ओके, डिफरेंट रिक्वेस्ट रहते हैं, ओके, तो उस जगह आपका एनालिटिक्स में आपको यूज होता है पाइथन. इंटरप्रेटेड लैंग्वेज, आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट इंटरप्रेटेड लैंग्वेज. इंटरप्रेटर लैंग्वेज क्या है? इंटरप्रेटर मींस जो आपके प्रोग्राम्स है उसको कन्वर्ट करता है एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग मशीन लैंग्वेज पे. ओके, पाइथन इंजन, तो वो हम बोलते हैं इंटरप्रेटेड लैंग्वेज. आई विल टॉक अबाउट इंटरप्रेटर एंड कंपाइलर व्हेन आई एम स्टार्टिंग actual class. It's a big subject, interpreter and language and compiler. Cross platform. Okay, cross platform is you can develop in anywhere and you can use it across any of the device. Like someone has logged in from Apple, तो वो MacBook use कर रहे हैं. I logged in from Windows, okay, Microsoft Windows, so I'm using Windows. Someone might use Linux. A different operating system है, okay. एक कंप्यूटर रन करने के लिए हमें एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम चाहिए, जैसे मोस्ट ऑफ यू हैव लॉग्ड इन फ्रॉम विंडोज, ओके, तो विंडोज क्या है, एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है, ठीक है। वैसे लिनक्स है, यूनिक्स है, ओके, मैक है, ऑल स्मार्टफोन्स एंड्रॉइड से तुम लोग यूज करते हो, ठीक है। सो दिस आर द क्रॉस प्लेटफॉर्म लैंग्वेज, मीन्स आप एक जगह डेवलप करेंगे और आई कैन यूज इट अक्रॉस एनी ऑफ दिस प्लेटफॉर्म। फ्री एंड ओपन सोर्सेस, फ्री एंड ओपन सोर्सेस का मतलब होता है कि you don't need to pay for it, you can go easily, you can download it and you can use it, okay. In fact you can help python to grow, क्योंकि python आपको लगता है कि python पे ये फीचर नहीं है and I can support python, I can develop this feature, you can do that, okay. So next is some demerits are there which we'll cover when we are having actual classes, because we are running short of time, okay. Installing python, okay, so it's very easy to install it, okay. You can just go to google and write a python and you can install the software, okay, fine. Now I will show you how I've used anaconda version of python and I have used, so this is something called IDE, okay, integrated development environment, where I'm going to write my python programs, okay. I'll write easy it is to write it, okay. I will write it like this. I've taken a number, num1. This is a demo class, okay. So I'm just going to show you how we can write a program, okay. I, I haven't explained you about, the syntax or everything, but this is the way, this is the area where we are going to write the program, okay. So So I've just written, few lines. Okay. I've just, okay, written few lines. So you can see here, this is a number. I've taken any number and just I'm trying to add with other number. अब दुनिया कोई भी नंबर दे दो, ठीक है, you will get an output. Basic I can do it.